My days are almost starting. It is almost time to take a couple days off. Actually, almost a week off. It's getting right about that time. And it's taken about 2 months to get to this point. Wait, get some content. Nomadic hippie.
Nomadic hippie.
Okay.
Add contact to your channel, Nomadic hippie.
Noisy trailer. I'm back in Orlando. I'm about 2 miles away from Universal Studios at the moment. I can't go over there today, but the plans are to go over there at least by this weekend. A little bit of Halloween goodness is going to be going on, so I'm going to pack up Cousin Eddie tomorrow morning. Actually, I'm not far from home. I mean, I could probably go spend the night in Cousin Eddie and get back here in the morning when my time happens, where I'm supposed to be in this warehouse over here. But why not park here? Who knows, they may let me get off work early. So I figure I'll just sleep here in the street. It's pretty safe. It seems like a nice quiet street, right? It's not too bad. No cars, no nothing. Nice quiet place. Figure I'll just sleep here, get up early in the morning, maybe get unloaded if they will unload me, and head home, pack up the RV, get everything ready to go, and head over to Thousand Trails in Orlando, which is not far from here also, and just enjoy some time. I got so much stuff going on. It's going to be exciting. I can't wait, and I'm going to take you guys along on my adventure. But like I said, that's not starting for another day or so. First, I'm going to get some sleep, wake up in the morning, and continue with this vlog. Right now, I'm just going to go relax, play with Cat, and enjoy being in warm weather, because it's been cold. It has been so cold. I've been up in Pennsylvania and places like that. I don't want to go back up there for the rest of the winter. Well, just because I'm stuck here on the side of the road sleeping for the night doesn't mean I can't order one of my favorite food items. Oh, you guys know what it is. Oh, you know what it is. Daytime, and I am no longer in downtown Orlando. Nope, I'm in Wildwood, Florida, home of Nomadic hippie. That really didn't last too long. My days off lasted approximately 30 minutes. 30 minutes! Yeah, so that just happened. I was getting the cat out of the truck. Look, my green screen's out, everything's out. I was cleaning up, cleaning house, and starting to get everything out. And then I got the phone call. 30 minutes into taking everything out of the truck. Hey, would you mind doing us a favor? Are you doing anything right now? No, nothing that I can't start later. So they said, well, would you mind hooking to another trailer and going over to Howey in the Hills, picking up some orange juice for us? No problem, because I'm a company guy. I'm a company guy. That kind of gives me time to untangle all this mess before I put it inside Cousin Eddie. Man. Whoa. At least I don't have to worry about getting the cat out. She's already out of here. No, when I just pulled up in the truck, I'm sure she is hiding. She's probably thinking Daddy's gonna put her back in the truck. And little does she know, nope, I gotta put all this stuff away. Oh, there she is. It's Cat. The elusive Cat. Done. I'm done. I have started my day off as of this very moment. My days are starting. And my RV is a total mess. I got so much work to do. Picking stuff up, putting stuff away, getting it ready to travel. This is my plan. I always leave and do things early. When I have to hop on an airplane, I'm usually about 12 hours early. No reason for it. No reason for it. And it's the same thing when I leave one place on a moving day and go to another place. You can't check in till noon. Why are you going to wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning to go when you only got to go 20 miles? Then you just end up sitting in a Walmart parking lot waiting for Thousand Trails to let you in the gate. But that's me. That's what I'm going to do. And I think Cat's excited. Cat's excited to just go and play and have fun. Anyway, I'm going to eat some dinner, do a quick unboxing video, and I'll see you guys in the morning, which will be the next clip. Never fails. You get ready to do something, something always happens. Something always happens. Good news is this happened here at the yard. My belt broke, my serpentine belt. The other two belts are fine, but the serpentine belt broke, filled this whole cab up with smoke. That was insane. And yeah, now I'm stuck replacing a belt before heading over to the campground. Never done it before. I mean, I've done it in pickup trucks, done it in cars, but a Class A motorhome, they do not leave you much room to get down there and put belts and stuff on. I have no idea how to do this. Ford, you need to make a smaller motor for this stuff. Yeah, time to get to it. That was almost the worst job ever. Oh, but I did it. Cousin Eddie is fixed. I can head over to Thousand Trails. I think it would be a wise decision though, to, being it's Friday, to stop by the auto parts store and pick up an extra belt or two just because I replaced those. Hey, it's nice to have those handy. Even if you've never done it before, don't be afraid to attempt it. It's not that difficult. It was a lot easier than I thought. Though I did burn myself. I burned myself a couple times. But yeah, even if it's extremely hard to get into, you could get into it. Dun, dun, it's pretty clean. Got everything almost clean. Table even looks almost nice, especially with this brand new Google Nest hub. Just a little bit of wiping down to do. I'll do that in a second. Let me take you outside and show you my campsite. Oh man, it was a long time coming to get here. Oh yeah, right outside my door. I can't put my awning all the way down because, well, I bet you before I leave here, this vine will attach itself to my awning. I'm just guessing. Okay, so Cousin Eddie is parked. Would you look at this site? I've actually stayed at this site before. This is one I was trying to get just now. Underneath this nice big shade tree. Lots of forest behind me and a nice little table. Very picturesque. I could probably back up a little bit further. My sewage is over here. I haven't hooked up yet, but I have hooked up to water and electric. All I got to do is, well, run the sewage hose. I should probably back up about another 10 feet. Nice. I understand why they didn't put the electric box back here further and the sewage back here further. That way, if, I mean, because it's up there, up towards the front. I got all this area back here. Or if you have a car, you could park a car and stuff like that. But if you park the car back here, and the RV up there where the electrical stuff is, there's no way to get, I guess you have to drive over the grass. I guess that's it. But what a nice spot. I'm gonna make it. Once the smoke started filling up inside the motorhome, I thought, oh God, something's on fire. Something's on fire. I didn't know the belt was inside there just tangling all up. Man, but just goes to show you, man. I don't know what it goes to show you. I really don't. It goes to show you with determination, you can fix things and get to where you need to be, I guess. And where I needed to be was home, away from home. Anyway, guys, until the next time, I love you all. Please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you somewhere down the road. Somewhere down the road. By the way, Kat's not getting out of the RV. She's not going to get out and get bit by ants. Because last time, this is where she got off. She got off her leash here. Luckily, she didn't go too far. It's not going to happen again.